Ka Meghalaya Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan School Association ne ka MSSASA menta ka santri unaitung kala ajimun ha umintri ka tan pulai puthi ka jela ubala ka menrumbui panpin kiu ya ka mangtingka na ka benta kinong hikai SSA ha ka jela. Presiden ka MSSASA uba Aristotle Rembai uloong ba ka sarkar ka deban mangpisa khambun ya kinong hikai katkum ka section 7 clause 5 ka RTE Act arajar khandai khnang ba kijing jong kinong hikai kan ummi nakapor siya kapor. Kila kenturu ban penkiyo no yak tulop jong kinong hikai SSA ha ka ba umintri ula pentikna ba unsudan ka jingelang bat umintri rang ba ha kini khindiat singi ka banwan.
But hakani ka jingi kendo jingi bat I ngila yo ban discuss ya light di kimat kubaya day pat ka jingi jingi kino ka SSA kabanong kong ngila yo lat ban discuss ha kabaya day but ka pending salaries jongi for 5 months kata 2 months de jong February March jong last financial year 2021-22 and another 3 months kadai jong benai April May June jong financial year pamta financial year arja akuar akulai kebaapat ni dia keren hak kebai day bat ka cingdawa jongi lemantaban kentiu lan enhance ya ka tulop jongki noi ka SSA po jela Meghalaya bat kebalai kalong ya keren halor ka kani kajing ajimut jongi ma ya ka education department kunjuru ya ka state department bahkan ai khambon ka fund allocation na benta ka samagra shiksha abhiyan kebai day berketu ka arbanai pat jong last financial year aja aku ya kuat nakaliang jongi laong ba insa don meeting ba usiam namar kumba kalong menta usiam umdon insa don meeting ba usiam harangkap bat ki officer ban yakren kerpang ya kemat jongi ki no hika SSA kata nado ka salary kanika pending salary nang ta ka enhancement bat kumjur ha gabai dai bat kanika proposal ka bangila ai nakaliang jongi ban ai khambon ka fund hak state budget namta ka samagra shiksha abhiyan bat kumjuru ha ka bai dai bat kane ka jingdawa jong iban organize ka service joki no hikas total budget ka banakan yang jong government of Meghalaya kala pa sa government of India kala kot kumba ndrius pa hanyo crore approximate total budget ndrius pa hanyo crore tinakan ikan ndrius pa hanyo crore nakaliang jong ka government of India kala aya ka commitment ba kan yarap pisa kumba laispa nyupo arko life hundrulak approximate laispa nyupo arko life hundrulak approximate bat ka basa pat nang ne larang ipet ya kani ka amount ma ka budget ka baki pa satai kalong ndripo kalong ndriuspa nyukro ka ay ka ba ka government of India ka ay commitment kalong laispa nyupo arko life hundrulak kamu ka basa pat nang ta ka state government ka hapan bon na state budget kumba duna laispa kro lai ka hapan bon na lor bak hapan bon ya ka tu ka 10% ma kahapan bon seduna lais pakro tingi ngila aji mun nakaliang jungi ba singobha ban raise ya kanika issue especially ban chief minister kenang bakin ai ya kanika budget ya kanika paduna ke ladakim ai ya kane the same problem will repeat ai kabajia last year 2021-22 kan jiabiam how new financial year 2022-23
SSA teachers in the state have undergone very much hardship because for 5 months now the salary is pending. So they come to meet me. I have explained to them the nitty-gritty of what we are doing and what we will do. So I have explained to them also what is the sequence of event which happened in the last 2-3 months. And another thing is that which they request me to see that capping fund which is still lying with the government if it could be released. So I told them that when next week most probably if I am here or if I am here we will sit and discuss this matter so that we could ease as much as possible the hardship faced by this category of teachers. And regarding the budget provision, the government of Meghalaya has already put the budget provision in anticipation of the grant released by the government of India. So, but the state project director of the SSA Meghalaya is in constant touch with the Ministry of Education in Delhi so that the grant could be released as early as possible.